Have you ever wondered why high blood pressure might develop during pregnancy? High blood pressure during pregnancy can feel overwhelming, but understanding why it happens can help you take steps to manage it. While we often cannot identify a single cause, several factors tend to influence its development. High blood pressure during pregnancy can sometimes occur due to specific factors such as age, weight, existing health conditions, or family history. While these factors might increase the chances, they do not mean complications are certain. Understanding what may influence your risk allows us to work together to monitor and manage your health effectively. This is not about causing a worry, it is about empowering you with knowledge and support. Age can influence your risk. Women under 20 or over 40 are more likely to experience these challenges. Younger women may be because their bodies are still adapting to pregnancy changes, while older women may have age-related health conditions that add to the strain. However, with the right care, women of all ages can have healthy pregnancies. Weight also plays a role. Being overweight or having obesity puts extra stress on your heart and blood vessels. This does not mean that weight alone defines your pregnancy experience. It simply means your doctor will monitor your blood pressure and offer gentle guidance on nutrition and physical activity to support you. Carrying more than one baby, such as twins or triplets, naturally puts additional demands on your body. Your heart works harder to support the growth of multiple babies, increasing the chance of high blood pressure. This is a unique journey, and while it comes with challenges, your doctor will help you navigate it with a bit of extra care. If you have experienced high blood pressure or preeclampsia in a previous pregnancy, you may be at a higher risk this time. However, your past experience gives your doctor valuable insight. With regular monitoring and early interventions, we can manage these risks and support a smoother pregnancy journey for you. Pre-existing health conditions like diabetes, chronic kidney disease, or autoimmune conditions such as lupus can also increase your chances of developing high blood pressure. These conditions make it harder for your body to adapt to pregnancy changes, but with careful planning and support, we can address these challenges. Your family history is another important factor. If your mother, sister, or close relatives have had high blood pressure or complications like preeclampsia during pregnancy, you could have a higher likelihood as well. Sharing this history with your doctor helps them create a care plan tailored to your needs. It is important to understand that while these factors can increase the chances of developing high blood pressure during pregnancy, they do not guarantee it will happen. Many women who face these risks go on to have healthy pregnancies and deliver healthy babies. Recognizing these risks early and working closely with your doctor to monitor and manage your health is the key. Together, we can take the right steps to ensure the best possible outcome for you and your baby.